What's up, guys? So today I want to show you what came in the mail, and this came today. So if you don't know what D23 is, so D23 is membership for Disney. It just gets you like some discounts and like some tickets for special events and things like that. So this stuff does come directly from Disney. This came from California. So every year they send you like a membership kit, and this year was like, there was a lot of nice stuff, but we didn't want to pay for everything, and we really aren't going to use everything that was there. So we just got like what we thought was more useful for us, but it does bring like other things. So I just wanted to show you guys what comes in this thing. So I haven't even opened it yet. Let me see. So usually they'll come with like a card and a certificate and all that stuff. Okay, fancy. And I think this year's, I think I like the magnet and everything much better than other years, because it's a Goofy movie themed. So here's like how it's in there, 23. So they were supposed to, like, every year your membership renews, and it depends like what like which membership you pay for. Like I have the gold membership, and the only reason I really have the gold membership is so that I can get tickets to special events like D23 whenever they're in Orlando and everything. And eventually one day I'll make it out to the California one, but right now it's just not gonna happen right now. We just have so many things going on. But yeah, so this is the first thing that's in here. So I think this has to be the certificate, which I don't want to bend. Okay, so yeah. So here's the magnet. This is my favorite magnet, and I'm thinking about it, but I don't really want to put it on the car, because if you own any Disney magnets or any magnets at all, you know that people are people, for lack of a better description. And they just take stuff right off your car. I lost count how many magnets people have stolen. Christmas magnets, all kind of magnets. And I write on them with permanent marker and everything to kind of like discourage people from taking them, but they're just so weird. They'll take them even written on. So I don't know. But most likely this will stay on my fridge. But yeah, it's super cute. This is my favorite magnet we've gotten, besides the Oswald one, which I think was my other favorite. And then here's the card. This is like the actual membership card. Now, when you have the app, it's on the app. So you can go to the app and it's there. So you go to D23. So that's the app. And then they have like some special things. So you go, there's a little button that says membership, and then membership card, and it's right there. So, and then you like flip it around and everything's there. So yeah. So then here's the card, like the physical card. I know this does give you discounts, like even in places like I think in Disney Springs, although I'm not like 100% sure, because I really don't. The only discount I really use is my pass holder discount. Okay, so this is cool. So yeah, I was right, the Disney Springs. So this is like a savings passport. They're basically like coupons and things, and it tells you where you can get discounts. So like this is for the Citizen Watch, $50 off your order of $250 or more. That's actually not bad. So basically I guess you get it for $200. I don't know. Not bad if you buy that kind of stuff and waste that kind of money. But so yeah, look, they have $25 off any D23 event. So that would have been good when like you have to buy tickets for the D23 conferences, because they're expensive. So then they have 25% off of Joffrey's, so things like that. I know they even have like, yeah, Splitsville, Sunglass Hut, Terralina, the Swan and Dolphin. I think I've seen that one. Yeah, save up to 30%. Yeah, that's actually good. We might do a little staycation there. Okay. Very good. So, let's see what else is in here. Okay. So they give you a Lorcana card. And this one's Iago. I don't know if it's the same for everybody, because I saw it in the picture. And then I'll show you guys the pictures there of the different things you can get. But I think the Iago one is like for everybody. I don't know. I thought I saw him there, like in the picture. And then this is cute. There's a pin that they give you. So gold member D23, and this is the certificate. Okay, so this is just a letter that they send you, and then this is a certificate. So yeah, cute. And then another thing I like about this is, well, if you know me, like my family knows, I'm obsessed. Like my favorite Mickey of all time is Sorcerer Mickey. So let me show you the next thing. Here, I think this is the last one. So this is the thing that we picked, because you pick one thing. So we picked this bag, right? It's actually a pretty good size bag, and it does have something in it. So let me show you. It's like a sling bag, so just goes sideways or whatever. It has a lot of pockets. Wow, that's a lot of pockets. And this made more sense for us because we travel with so many cameras and camera equipment and all kinds of stuff. It was just an easier option for us. It was the one that made the most sense. Okay. So, alright, so it does come with a hat. And then it has Sorcerer Mickey there. And it's kind of like a faded jean underneath. It says D23 Gold member. So I'll probably be wearing that one more than Edwin because he likes the fitted hats. And then it comes with a water bottle. So let me show you. I feel like this was the better deal. Like this came with way more things. Everything else was just like I thought about the Spirit jersey, but then I was like, no, because we only really wear a Spirit jersey like a few months out of the year, and it made like 0 sense. Okay, so I thought that this bottle was plastic and it's insulated, which is awesome because I only like insulated water bottles. But this is a game changer because this is a good thing. Alright, so this is actually awesome. And then the bag actually has, oh, there's another zipper back here. Wow, there's like a million zippers here. So there's like a side zipper that I just saw that when you pull this out, it's actually for the bottle. So you just put it in there. Okay. Alright, that's cool. So then, alright, pretty cool. So yeah guys, so that's it. That's the unboxing of the D23 box. And yeah, so I'll let you guys know like whenever we're gonna do any kind of like a D23 event. I don't think we're gonna be going to the one in August. I have a lot going on in August. I have family here and it's also my birthday. So August is pretty busy. You're nearing the end of the year, so yeah, I have a lot going on, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to go. If anything changes, of course you guys will know, or I may or may not talk about it on Instagram. I may not, but yeah, or you'll just see us there. So yeah guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Peace.